Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. You know how much lithium this is? Jeez. Hey. I just added it. My chest hurts. In a minute. Look at that window. Solid. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe everyone. Go ahead. Hair trick.
I hate to play this song.
Love you too, man.
Thanks for watching, man. Yes, sir. Dunkin Donuts, or Dunkin.
Go ahead, man.
Come on and squeeze it, man. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. Really excited to show y'all this crazy subwoofer flex action from 12 15-inch subs. This is Stephen Duncan's van. A lot of people have seen it probably over social media and videos. I got to hear it. This is at the Sundown show in North Carolina area about 2 years ago. I know he's done some changes since then. I didn't get a quick walk around from him because he was really busy at the show. But this is 4 16,000 watt RMS amplifiers, 3 subwoofers per amplifier, I'm pretty sure, and a huge lithium bank. I didn't find out the actual size of that, and I was really impressed with how much fab work it took to get this system where it is. It's pretty much a demo showstopper. He could park it somewhere and play system demos all day. Crowds love it at the shows. So if you notice also the way he has his roundover on his front port, with this much subwoofer cone area, it is really important to make sure that's fine-tuned, and he did a really good job. During the demo we were getting to, I could feel a lot of pressure actually on my rib cage during the demo, especially the higher notes with this 12 15-inch system. And also, if you look at the way he has his roof fab work, there's a lot of extreme welding, and pretty much everything's bolted together, probably a 2 or 3 inch thick glass. And this is trailered. This isn't a daily driver, obviously, but Duncan's done a really good job. This is a 6th order as well, so really unique to see those 4 ports in the back. I'm going to guess they're either 8 or 10 inch aero ports with this 12 15-inch subwoofer system, and a lot of nice cosmetic bracing. Pretty much everything is really clean for the install for the amount of power and cone area. And lastly, look at the way that cabin looks. Lots of extreme fab work involved. Everything's welded together and well braced. So when you get in there, you know it means business. So if you haven't already, welcome to my channel, Jacob Val. Hit that subscribe button for daily videos coming your way every day and enjoy the demo. Pretty crazy.
Hey, holy smokes. You know how much lithium this is? Jeez. Hey. I just sat in it. My chest hurts.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.